So hey guys, this is Zappo, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this really cool text animation in After Effects. So let's start by creating a new composition. I'm using a 1920 by 1080 comp with a frame rate of 30 fps and a duration of 5 seconds. 5 seconds will be enough for this because I'm not using much text layers. Then for this effect we'll need two scripts that are Ease and Viz and Text Evo 2. I'll leave the download links in description so you can follow along. Once you have installed the scripts, go to the window tab here and check these two scripts, so it will bring them up in your workspace. So I'm just gonna select them here. So for the next step, you're gonna add the text layer. Align it to the center so everything looks balanced and even. Then select the text layer and click on this plus icon to add the text viewer effect to it. Then in the go to transform, position and set the Y position to 150 and change the opacity to 0. Your animation should look like this once you are done. Cool. So now we have to change one more setting, that is the mode. So select our text viewer effect and click on this icon, then select words. Let's see how it looks. Nice. So then we have to select both keyframes, go into the graph editor, make sure you are in edit value graph, then select both keyframes again and hit this icon to convert them into linear keyframes. Once you are done, select both the keyframes again and in the Ease and Viz script panel, change the easing to elastic and type to out. I don't know, for some reason it's not showing here, but it's below the in option, so select that and hit apply. Looks cool, but I think the words are coming really late, so I'm gonna change the delay to 6 here, and then I'm gonna change the bounciness as well. So open the expression console by clicking here and then change the period to 51 and amplitude to 40. So amplitude is basically the bounciness of text, so I'm gonna decrease it because I don't want the text to be really bouncy. Let's see how it looks. Cool. So after this we want our text to go to top again in the same manner, so I'm gonna add another text viewer effect to it. So select our text layer, click on the plus icon, which will add the text viewer 2 effect to our text layer. Then in the transform properties, go into the position and set the Y position to -150. Because earlier I had used 150, so I'm gonna use -150 here. Then change the opacity to 0. Cool. Okay, now press U to bring up to reveal the keyframes. Then reverse the keyframes and select both of them. Go into the graph editor. Make sure you are in speed graph and drag the left keyframe all the way to the right. So make sure your graph looks like mine. Cool. Then select the text viewer effect again and change the mode to words. So after this, select both keyframes again and this time change the type to in and hit apply. So let's see how it looks. Nice. Then we have to change one more setting, that is the delay, because earlier we had used 6, so I'm gonna keep it 6 here as well. And then I'm gonna use the same values for the period and amplitude. So let me just bring up the expression console. Then earlier we had used 51 for period, 0.51 and 40 for amplitude. Let's see how it looks. Then I'm gonna add one more text layer after this to make it look even more better. Also, let me just change the text a bit. So that's all for the video. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from it. I'll be uploading more such videos very soon, so make sure you subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram.